In order to get the job done, technical analysis makes quite a few assumptions. One of those is that in a free market, prices are going to travel in predictable trends. Just like a river flowing to the ocean, we know that a river in place or a trend in place should continue until there's reasons for it to change course. And that is why the second assumption is that trends are going to continue until they're interrupted. We also assume that history is going to repeat itself. If we're in a situation and we're looking at a chart, we can go back and find historical examples of what happened in similar situations, use the average of those outcomes to try and predict and inform our own trading decisions in the current context. We assume that the same thing is going to happen time after time after time. We also assume that patterns exist in nature and the free market is a natural entity. Therefore, patterns can exist inside the market. We also assume that human beings are able to see and act on visual patterns that are not easily picked up by algorithmic or robotic trading. We know that humans have an innate ability to pick out patterns, find faces, look for familiar cues, and we use that concept and apply it to technical analysis and say, all right, we have the ability to recognize patterns. Humans are going to have a special skill, and it's going to be used to our advantage through technical analysis. Technical analysis also assumes that prices are governed by psychology and emotion. At least originally, the entire market was buying and selling and trading between people and people, or people and companies. This has informed all of the indicators that we use today, and by and large, a lot of the trading that we see is based on fear and emotion. And it could be algorithms replicating fear and greed, but we see this happening when we have a major sell-off in the market. Even if 90% of that sell-off is being generated by algorithmic traders, they are still reacting to the cues and concepts that humans would have in similar situations. For that reason, we have things like psychological support and resistance levels that actually play out for robotic trading. So, prices are governed by psychology and emotion. Technical analysis also assumes that price action incorporates everything. We discussed how news moves prices, therefore prices incorporate news. Good companies will have value, their prices will be high, their charts will trend to the upside, and all of this information is contained inside the price action on your chart. And lastly, we assume that understanding technical analysis is going to provide you an edge for timing your investments and divestments. You're going to know when you should get in or out of a trade. You'll be able to recognize good potential setups. You'll recognize when greed has taken over and you should not be entering a position. All this information gets combined into a tool, technical analysis, that you can use for your own investments.